Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Southdown Garage. My name is Kurt, and today we're here with Anthony's Sportswagen, the vehicle I lost. So he gets to remind me what it's like to have a Sportswagen, while I now have a Jetta. What we're doing today is we're going BC racing, baby. This is going to be absolutely awesome. We are not only going to improve the handling, but the looks as well. And I mean, get over this. You've got adjustable top hats. You've got adjustable shocks so you can set your preload, your rebound, make it ride really nice, or make it drive like a train. Before we take this apart, what we want to do is we want to find out what level it is and get a measurement beforehand. So what we found here is we're about just 3/8 to make this level. We're gonna check every single wheel. We're gonna check this one, the passenger one, the rear, and then the other wheel, and we're gonna find out what they're at before. We're gonna do the install. The fronts we can probably get really close to 0. I'm not sure about the backs, but we're gonna see. It's gonna be great.
Look, bend with your knees.
That's why you're bending with your back, right? Oh yeah, don't need those, we're men. Here comes sketchy.
In the arms of the angel.
I feel like it's so close.
Is it really? Still not out.
Yep.
There you go.
Oh yeah.
All right.
You need to make the hole bigger.
Oh yeah.
Whack the
like a
Yeah,
sleeve.
so in-
to get
Oh,
a
the
video of
sleeve
this.
that it fits in,
Yeah,
yeah, it's
so-
gotta be bigger.
Yeah. And then we're gonna take a drill and then hit the sandpaper in there, clean it all out, throw some anti-seize in there, and then it should be able to slide in a little bit better. But
Are
Yeah.
these oversized?
no, they're the same size. It's just it was really real dog to get out.
Yeah, okay.
So at least he's swinging at his car, not me.
Yep.
Got that
No.
loop?
Yeah, it's right down.
Oh yeah, the loop. There's
The loop. Oh, there's the nuts and stuff. Nuts. Oh yeah. I need an army to just tell me where my stuff went. Where'd you put it? I don't know.
All right.
Oh, different size. First, do something different. Why not?
Does it look like it's right? Lined up okay?
No.
Pull it out.
Yeah.
Which way?
Turn it slightly towards the back. Yeah.
Like that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Perfect.
Okay.
Just gonna do up this back one here.
Do the hard one to get at.
That's why I want to do it up first. I'll just what I'll do is I'll start the other ones,
Come back.
and then you can let go of it. And then we can sort of like just throw it in. Oh man, what a long day.
How many hours you been at this?
Since about 1:30.
Well, you guys had to head out to get some parts. Though, right?
Yeah, we noticed there was a freaking screw in one of the tires and we went and got it fixed.
Lift.
Hey?
Nice to have a lift.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Dave's dream.
We need
Okay.
a jack. So come out.
Okay. Let's see.
Project truck.
There you go.
Haha!
Ready?
Yeah.
Come in. To lower it down.
Yeah.
Coming down.
Yeah, it's gotta go back up. Go right out. I'm gonna bang the hole bigger. When you don't have the proper tool.
Yeah, render racing it.
Down, down, down. Baby, down, down. Yep.
Oh, she's tight.
Yep. Then,
Way in.
yeah, all the way in.
Mint.
Now you just put the.
Now we need the clean up the bolt. Untie seats. And then we smash. So this is the short tired version we're doing. We've been at this for a few hours. Of course, everything has to get cut off because it's a Canadian car. But when you're going to adjust the height of your shock, you do not touch this. If you're gonna do anything, you check and make sure your preload is set to an 8. However, BC Racing usually presets that stuff, but you can always double check. You just back this off, and back it down, back this till this has a little bit of play, and then you turn it on, and then you put both nuts up against each other, and then turn this so you have an 1/8 of clearance in between this nut, and then you know you have your specific preload. But you never adjust this with this. This is only for preload. If you want your height, you turn this nut here. Then you're gonna turn this whole assembly. You'll turn this bottom nut, because this will all be tight. You turn this, and it will turn everything up, and it will lengthen this to get your height if you're trying to get higher. Obviously, you go the opposite way if you're trying to get lower. But we're not gonna do that today because we're so tired. We're just gonna throw the wheel on and hope for the best. That's it for this episode of Southdown Garage. Thank you to Anthony for coming out and working with us with your Volkswagen. That was awesome to be able to do coilovers again for somebody else. If you like this video, hit the like button, consider subscribing, and let us know how we did in the comments. If you want to help out, grab some merch from our merch store, and we will see you on another episode of Southdown Garage. Bye for now.
So I was having some issues after putting the BC coilovers on here. They were rubbing in behind there on the shock. So I got some of these frickin' spacers off Marketplace, 10 mils. Let's see what happens. I just put them on. Let's lower this guy.